This is TV9's What India Thinks Today conclave, the most powerful thought fest of 2025, bringing you face to face with the ideas, debates and decisions that will shape the future of India and the world. Let's tell you all about it now. This year, we take over the Grand Bharat Mandapam, the very heart of India's biggest summits, for 2 days of high-octane discussions, groundbreaking insights and unfiltered conversations. And at the very center of the Power Pack conclave is a historic keynote session by none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi said in the previous edition of TV9 What India Thinks Today conclave.
मैं अक्सर भारत की डाइवर्सिटी की चर्चा करता रहता हूं। इस डाइवर्सिटी को TV9 का न्यूज़ रूम आपकी रिपोर्टिंग टीम में बखूबी वो नजर आता है, ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है। TV9 के अनेक भारतीय भाषाओं में मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं। आप भारत की वाइब्रेंट डेमोक्रेसी उसके प्रतिनिधि भी हैं। मैं अलग अलग राज्यों में अलग अलग भाषाओं में TV9 में काम करने वाले सभी पत्रकार साथियों का, आपकी टेक्निकल टीम का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। साथियों, आज TV9 की टीम ने इस समिट के लिए बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक चुना है। इंडिया पोइज्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट बिग लीप। और बिग लीप तो हम तभी ले सकते हैं जब हम जोश में हो, ऊर्जा से भरे हुए हो, कोई हताश निराश देश हो या व्यक्ति बिग लीप के बारे में सोच ही नहीं सकता। ये थीम ही अपने आप में ये बताने के लिए काफी है कि आज का भारत का आत्मविश्वास किस ऊंचाई पर है, आकांक्षा क्या है। अगर आज दुनिया को लगता है कि भारत एक बड़ा लीप लेने के लिए तैयार है, तो उसके पीछे 10 साल का एक पावरफुल लॉन्च पैड है। तो 10 वर्ष में ऐसा क्या बदला कि आज हम यहां पहुंचे हैं। ये बदलाव माइंडसेट का है, ये बदलाव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और ट्रस्ट का है, ये बदलाव गुड गवर्नेंस का, सुशासन का। साथियों, एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत।
Under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, India has emerged as a formidable force in the new world order, a world that is shifting away from traditional power blocks to a multi-aligned, mini-lateral future, an idea rooted in India's vision. The global narrative is being rewritten, and at this conclave, we decode India's role in shaping this new reality. From diplomacy to democracy, from innovation to infrastructure, from economic powerhouses to social transformation, every critical conversation is happening here. Well, the fun does not end there. let's introduce to you the political galaxy, because what's a national agenda without the power players, right? Brace yourself for the most electrifying gathering of India's political heavyweights. We've got union ministers, chief ministers, and top opposition leaders all under one roof setting the agenda for 2025 and beyond. Nitin Gadkari, the man driving India's infrastructure revolution. Piyush Goyal, the force behind India's global trade ambitions. Ashwini Vaishnav, the tech and railway visionary transforming connectivity. Bhupendra Yadav, India's voice on climate and sustainability. And that's just the beginning. From state capitals to parliament corridors, from BJP's top strategists to fiercest opposition voices, everyone is going to be present. Chief ministers in attendance: Mohan Yadav of Madhya Pradesh, Bhagwant Mann of Punjab, Pushkar Singh Dhami of Uttarakhand. We also have the top opposition voices: Mallikarjun Kharge, the face of Congress's challenge to BJP; Tejasvi Yadav, the young political firebrand from Bihar. Expect unfiltered exchanges, big political face-offs and conversations that will dominate the national headlines. But hey, this event will also be featuring the business, economy and industry titans, because we, of course, need to talk about the engine that drives India forward, right? Our business and economy sector. So get ready to hear from the CEOs, investors and policymakers who are scripting India's economic rise. From MSMEs to global leadership, how India is powering the next economic surge. E-mobility, AI revolution, the future of business and innovation, infrastructure boom, building the India of tomorrow. Among the industry heavyweights, Hisashi Takeuchi of Maruti Suzuki, Rajesh Nambiar of NASSCOM, Dr. Naresh Trehan, a top name from Medanta, Nilesh Shah, Deepak Shenoy, Pankaj Bansal, and many more, bringing you insider insights on growth, disruption, and the road ahead. And let's not forget the newsmakers, from sports legends like Pulela Gopichand to Bollywood stars like Yami Gautam, Vijay Deverakonda, Jim Sarab and Amit Saad, their journeys, their insights, their take on India's transformation. So buckle up, this is not just an event, this is where history is written. This is TV9's What India Thinks Today, the summit that defines India's trajectory. So get ready, because on March 28th and 29th of year 2025, Bharat Mandapam will be the epicenter of India's biggest conversations.